Welcome everyone. So today we're going to solve a very nice word problem which literally 90% of the people could not figure out. Okay, so let's understand. The question is, you are in the center of a square. So if this is your square, okay, and this is your center, and they're saying this is 5 feet away from the corners. Okay, so this is 5. So now we need to find the area of the square. So this can, if I extend this, so this will also be 5, correct? So now basically I got a square whose diagonal is coming out to be what? 10. And we need to find the area. Area of a square is nothing but what? Side square. Correct? And here I know that this is a Pythagoras theorem. So I can say side square plus side square equals to 10 square. So we have 2 side square equals to 100. So from here I can say that side square equals to, dividing both sides by 2, I can say it is equals to what? 50. So here I can say the area of this particular square will be what? 50 square feet. Okay, I hope this is very clear to everyone. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.